Veera and I am Mistress Mrs. Swati Basre. I welcome all the students and the teachers to celebrate Azadi Amrit Mahotsav. Students, this is the last activity for the academic year 2021-22. I will explain to you that what is the program about. The program is mono acting. Now mono acting is, we are talking about self-acting. An individual will come here, a student will come here and he will talk as if he is the person. He will give you the title on what he is talking. For example, if the participant come here and say, I am Lokmanya Tilak. So he will talk as he is Lokmanya Tilak. And he will give you the knowledge what he has done during his period. Are you following it? For example, I say I am Jhansi Ki Rani. So I am Jhansi Ki Rani. And what work Jhansi Ki Rani, Rani Lakshmibai did during the ancient times, that I will tell you as Jhansi Ki Rani. I will, instead of saying she did it, I will say I did it. Is that clear? She will change the pronoun from she to I itself. Is that clear, everybody? And they will do that acting what speech they are going to deliver to you. So whichever participant will come here, they will act as the leader. Whatever role they have chosen for themselves, they will present in front of you. Is that clear? So clear your mind, otherwise you will say that girl is saying I am Jhansi Ki Rani. Yes. Today you are very lucky. You are very lucky to witness in front of your eyes. You will see Jhansi Ki Rani coming here. Oh my God, she's no more. No, she's still there. She's there in your textbooks. Now you will see her live over here. You will see Lokmanya Tilak over here. You will see Mahatma Gandhi here. You will see Jawaharlal Nehru here. And so on. So about historical leaders what you have studied, you will today witness them today over here on this stage. So I feel you are very lucky. Is that clear? And they will inform you about their work, what they have done in giving us freedom. The freedom which we got in 1947, 15th August 1947. And then we got the Constitution, Indian Constitution, with Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, who is still present here. He is there with us today, which came in 1950. He drafted the Indian Constitution. And we celebrate on 26th January as a Republic Day because that day we started following Indian Constitution. 1947 were free like birds without any rules and regulations. But then 1950 we got legally proper rights, proper freedom as a citizen of India. Are you following it, everybody, children? So without wasting time, let us witness the historical leaders who are going to come and meet you today. And please listen carefully the information what they are going to deliver to you. Okay, I'll start with the program now. My first participant is from Standard 6, Asan Pari, who will be acting as Lokmanya Tilak.
My name is Hassan Fari. I am studying in Standard 6. My school name is E. Hassan High School. Today I act like a Lokmanya Tilak. I am Bal Gangadhar Tilak. I was
Our second participant is Fardeen Sheikh as Bhagat Singh from standard 6.
I am Fardeen Sheikh. I am in 6th standard. I was born. My character is Bhagat Singh. I am Bhagat Singh. I was born on 28th September 1907. I sacrificed my full life for my country. My full family was involved in Indian struggle for freedom. My dad and uncle are also a freedom fighter, which inspired me to join this movement. I hanged by Britishers at 23rd March 1931. Hence, I sacrificed my full life for my motherland country. Jai Hind.
Now we go to standard 7. We have Isam Khan as Sambhaji Maharaj.
Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Izam Khan. I am from standard 7. My school name is E.E. Sasun High School. I am Sambhaji Bhosle. I was born on 14 May 1657. I was the second Chhatrapati of the Maratha Empire. I ruled from 1681 to 1689. I fought with Mughals fiercely. I fought with powers such as Portuguese in Goa and Sikhs. I died on 11 March 1689. Thank you.
Next, Yusuf Dadan from standard 7 as Rajaram Mohan Roy.
Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Yusuf Dadan. I study in 7th standard. Today I am going to act as Rajaram Mohan Roy. I am Rajaram Mohan Roy. I am an Indian reformer. I founded Brahmo Samaj. I worked for social religious reform movement in Indian subcontinent. I got the title of Raja by Akbar II of the Mughal Emperor. I worked in the field of politics, public administration, education and religion. I worked day and night to abolish the practices of sati and child marriage. I worked very hard to bring equality in the society. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Now we go to standard 8. Our first participant here is Mayank Thorat as Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar.
My name is Mayank Prashant Thorat. I am studying in standard 8. Today I am going to play the act on Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is known as Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, was social reformer and Dalit Buddhist movement in India. I was the first father of the Indian Constitution and brain behind the drafting of Indian Constitution. I was the first law minister of the country in 1947. I renounced Hinduism and became Buddhist in 1947. In 1947, I also launched a newspaper called as Moksh Nayaka, and I was awarded the prestigious award Bharat Ratna in 1990. I worked very hard for the upliftment of the lower caste called as Harijan, and I also belong to a Harijan family. And I struggled very hard for their rights in the society as they were treated very badly in the society. I love India and I love all the religion in the India. Jai Hind.
Next, Omkar Pal as Bhagat Singh.
Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Omkar Pal. I am studying in standard 8. My school name is E.E. Sasun High School, and I am going to do an act on Bhagat Singh in Marathi. मी भगत सिंग एक महान भारतीय क्रांतिकारी आहे. ब्रिटिश साम्राज्याविरुद्धच्या लढ्यात मी केलेले 2 हिंसात्मक कार्यामुळे वयाच्या 23व्या वर्षी अंग्रेजांनी मला फाशीची शिक्षा दिली. माझा जन्म 28 सप्टेंबर 1907 ला पंजाबच्या लॅलपूर जिल्ह्यातील बघा त्या छोट्याशा गावी झाला. माझ्या आईचे नाव इंद्रावती तर वडिलांचे नाव किशन सिंग आहे. माझे वडील किशन सिंग आणि काका सरदार अजित सिंग हे दोघी लोकप्रिय स्वातंत्र्य सेनानी आहेत. दोघी गांधीजींच्या विचारांचे समर्थक आहेत. आपले वडील व काकांच्या कार्याने मी खूप प्रभावित झालो. लहानपणापासून मी देशाविषयी निष्ठा आणि अंग्रेजांच्या तावडीतून मुक्त करणे ही इच्छा निर्माण झाली. जय हिंद.
Next, Dipali Pardesi as Jhansi ki Rani, Rani Lakshmi Bai.
Thank you one and all present here. My name is Dipali Pardesi. I am in standard 8. Today I will be performing an act on Jhansi Ki Rani. I am Rani Lakshmi Bai. I am Jhansi Ki Rani. My full name is Manikarnika Tambe. I was born on 19 November in the year 1828 in Varanasi state. My father name is Morapan Tambe. My mother name is Bhagwati Sakhe. My mother left me when I was only 4 years old. Two of my close friends were Nana Sahib and Tanti Kaur. I married only when I was 7 years old with Gangadhar Rao in 1842. I fought with the Mughals for my Jhansi. People say about me, चमक उठी सन 57 में वो तलवार पुरानी थी. बूंदे हर बदल हमने सुनी कहानी थी. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. हर हर महादेव.
Next, we have Smith Gujar as Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Smith Shri Gujar and I am studying in standard 8 and my school name is E.E. Sasun High School and today I will act like Lal Bahadur Shastri. मी लाल बहादूर शास्त्री. माझा जन्म 2 ऑक्टोबर 1904 रोजी मुघलशाहीमध्ये झाला होता. माझ्या वडिलांचे नाव मुशी शारदा प्रसाद श्रीवास्तव एका प्राथमिक शाळेत शिक्षक होते. माझ्या आईचे नाव राम दुलारी. माझ्या जन्माच्या 11 महिन्यानंतरच माझ्या वडिलांचे निधन झाले. त्यामुळे आई मला घेऊन आपल्या माहेरी गेली. मी हरिश्चंद्र हायस्कूल व काशी विद्यापीठातून आपले शिक्षण पूर्ण केले. येथूनच मी संस्कृत भाषेत ग्रॅज्युएशन पूर्ण करून शास्त्री उपाधी धारण केली. मी पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू नंतर स्वतंत्र भारताचा दुसरा पंतप्रधान होतो. सोबतच भारतीय राष्ट्रीय काँग्रेस पक्षाच्या प्रमुख नेत्यांपैकी मी एक होतो. मी गांधीजींच्या साहस व अहिंसेच्या विचाराने प्रभावित होतो. मी स्वतंत्र भारताचा सर्व आंदोलनात सक्रिय पद्धतीने पुढाकार घेतला. मी 1921 रोजी असहयोग आंदोलन, 1930 रोजी भारत छोडो आंदोलन आणि 1940 रोजी दांडी यात्रा आंदोलनात मी महत्त्वाची भूमिका बजावली होती. भारत छोडो आंदोलनात मला इतर नेत्यांसोबत मलाही इंग्रजांनी अटक केली. त्यानंतर 11 जानेवारी 1966 रोजी माझे निधन झाले. थँक्यू. जय
We have Aradhya Mahadik as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Aradhya Milind Mahadik. I am studying in standard 8. मी शिवाजी महाराज. माझे जन्म 19 फेब्रुवारी 1630 रोजी झाला. मी मराठा साम्राज्याचा आदर्श राजा होतो. मी गरिबी गावांचा वापर करून मोठमोठ्या शत्रूंना ठार मारले. मी ताकदपेक्षा बुद्धीचा वापर करून अनेक किल्ले जिंकले. माझे मृत्यू 3 एप्रिल 1680 रोजी झाला. जय महाराष्ट्र. हर हर महादेव.
Next, Ashika Singh from Standard 8 as Jawaharlal Nehru.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Ashika Singh. I am studying in standard 8. My school name is E.E. Sasun High School. Now I am going to act as Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. I am Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Children often call me as Chacha Nehru. I was born on 14 November 1889 in Allahabad. I was born to a family who was Kashmiri Brahmin. My father was Motilal Nehru and my mother was Swari Rani Nehru. My father was a lawyer by occupation and he was very rich. Because of that, I got best education. Moreover, I was sent to abroad to study at an early age. I completed the degree in 1910. I practiced law and became a lawyer in Allahabad High Court. I married to Kamla Devi at the age of 24. Kamla Devi gave birth to a daughter whom we named Indra. I gave the slogan Aram Haram Hai, which simply means rest is not best. Jai Hind.
Next, we have Afreen Abedin as Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan.
Hello friends, I am Afreen from Standard 8.
Sri Veera Swami and is a revenue with the official local zamindar. My mother name is Veera Sita Amma. My father didn't want me to study English and wished that I become a priest instead. On seeing my intelligence, I was allowed to pursue school and education. On being financially weak family, I completed my studies with the help and support of scholarship. After completing MA degree, I started working as an assistant lecturer in a Madras Residency College. I became the professor at the University of Mysore and soon after that education, university nominated me as a professor of philosophy. I was the first president of India in 1962 to 1967 and the second president of Free India. In 1954, I received Bharat Ratna Award. I was the first person who conferred upon the Sahitya Academy Fellowship. I also received the Peace Prize of German Book Trade in 1961 and Templeton Prize in 1967. I am a great man who loves to teach. A life of joy and happiness is only possible on the basis of science and knowledge. Jai Hind!
Now we have Standard 9, Afifa Bhatti as Indira Gandhi.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Afifa Ikhlas Bhatti. I am from Standard 9. My school name is E. Sasun High School. Now I am going to act as Indira Gandhi. I am the first woman Prime Minister of India. I am the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru. I was born at Allahabad on 19 November 1970. In childhood, I found Lena Sena and held the National Congress. I am a daring iron lady. Politics is my flesh and blood. After the death of my husband, Firoz Gandhi, I devoted full time to politics. After the death of Lal Bahadur Shastri, I became First Lady Prime Minister. India won the Bangladesh War in 1971. I am proud to be citizen of Free India. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Our last participant is Miskin Owais as Mahatma Gandhi. 9th standard.
I am Miskin Mohammad Owais from Standard 9. Today I am going to act as Mahatma Gandhi. Our school name is E. Sasun High School. I am Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. I was born on 2 October 1869. My people also call me Bapu. My father name was Karamchand Gandhi and mother name was Putlibai Gandhi. I began to live in a self-sufficient residential community to eat simple food and undertake long fast as a means of both introspection and political protest. I sacrificed my life for freedom. I love India. Jai Hind.
With this, we end our program.